Hi, I'm Matt Linko, and today we're in the Dana garage. Now we're going to talk about our MaxDry MeshGuard gaskets. And the one thing that I really want to talk about with this gasket is that this was a problem solution that was designed and developed by Victor Reinz. The 3.7 and 4.7 Dodge and Chrysler engines are notorious for dropping valve seats. And when that happens, it can cause metal debris to scatter throughout the engine. And so by designing a gasket that retains those metal shards from entering into the engine, we've been able to solve a problem. And that's what Victor Reinz is all about. With this gasket, I want to talk about some key features. We have a nylon carrier that houses the stainless steel mesh screen. That mesh screen allows for optimum airflow, but also retaining those pieces of metal before they have a chance to be dispersed into the engine. Next, we have our compression limiters or stoppers. This allows for optimum sealing all the way across the carrier without over tightening and causing cracks. Outside of the compression limiter, the final piece I want to talk about is the silicone bead. This bead runs all the way around the intake port to make sure that we have a perfect seal and that we're not allowing any unmetered air into the engine.